who's getting ready to be a grandma, or you're getting ready to throw a baby shower, or you know somebody else who's getting ready to throw a baby shower, please share this. The more you share it, the more Facebook loves it. I don't know if you know how the algorithms on Facebook work, but if we don't have things that are being liked and commented and shared, then nobody sees us. And I know just from I hear feedback from people that you love watching the videos, but if you would take it a step further and share it, we would so appreciate it. It would really make my day. So please share. And as you might have guessed by the giraffe, so we're going to do jungle.
Yes.
So the first thing, so we've got it different today. We're going to do for a girl and a boy and then a neutral so that you can see all the options. Yeah, not just the one type. So we'll start off with the girl.
Mm-hmm.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. So Edie, what are you going to grab?
Okay, I'm going to grab the two, well, what am I going to grab? I'm going to grab these books.
Okay.
They're going to go in there.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to set up our shelves. Most of it can stay up for the boy or the girl, but we just have some cute photo albums and some picture frames and things like that will just give just great props for you to see how this would look in a nursery. And then we will add in things that are specific to boy or girl of what we're doing.
Right. So right now I'm just adding in some photo albums and some books just to kind of fill it up. And these are things that you would typically have in your or in your nursery anyways.
Yeah, especially photo albums would be a fun thing to have in there. The other thing we have that is super cute we just thought looked very jungly. This is a airplane plant that I got from my mom just not very long ago, and I thought it was super cute to put it in this clear glass vase with the bamboo jungle kind of feel to it. So we're going to put it up here on the top shelf by our giraffe, and we have another great neutral piece that we have used. You've seen this several times now, and I just want to point out how things like this can just go with anything. So one week we put a deer on it, one week we put a sunflower on it, and this week we're just leaving it as is because we like the neutral look of it.
Yeah.
So.
And then the next thing that I'm going to put up there is this really cute elephant, and I don't know where you got this.
I think I got it at TJ Maxx several years ago.
Really cute. Yeah. And it goes with our theme.
Yeah, so every week we're just kind of literally pulling things from the house that we have, maybe buying one or two new things, but kind of want you to see how, especially for a baby shower, look around your house. Sometimes you can just find the perfect thing to add for decorations. Yeah. So what have you got, Edie?
We have some products here that what you would want to have in your nursery for your baby. So we're going to put those here.
Next we have a cute little felt board that this has the stand tall in the jungle, and we're going to use it in a couple of different places. I think it's so perfect for what we're doing. It's got the mint and the white.
I have the little stand for it.
There we go. Right there. Okay.
Cute.
We've got a basket with the diapers that we're going to add in right here, and got a cute pillow with some pom-poms. Now I want to show you a cute trick on this. So this is a really cute floral pillow, but when you flip it over, this floral does not go obviously with our jungle, but if you show the clean side just all white, the pom-poms are perfect to tie in, and we can throw it down here.
Yeah. And then I also have this ultrasound picture. So I'm going to just set this right here just to fill in some space. And now we're going to start adding in the products. So this is just kind of a base of, things that you would have in there already.
Yeah.
So here are the girl.
Do you want me to hang those?
You can hang one and I can hang the other.
Okay. I think I can reach.
So I'm going to show you this one up close just so you can see. But they're both girl. They're just different kinds. You can choose the giraffe or you can choose the elephant, and they have the date, weight, and length, and you can feel free to have a name customized on your animal. And then they just have these really cute hanging pom-poms that we handmade and tied them on there. So it's very cute.
And one other thing to note on all of our customized items like that, if you want us to put a blank on there for the name, say they don't have one picked out yet, but you love the decoration, we can just fill in another line with the name, and they can put that name in. On all of these, it's great to just use a chalk marker or a paint marker to fill in the information once you get it and once the baby arrives. So now we've got our two, what we would call hospital door hangers with the cute colors of the mauve, which is so in right now, and the turquoise and pink and tan and yellow. And then Edie's got our super cute giraffe.
Cute giraffe pom-pom wreath. Yeah. Very cute.
This was the inspiration, really, of everything we're doing today. I had done this one quite a while back, and then we thought we need to add more to that. We really need to get the hospital door hanger so you guys can put the statistics on there, and we just think she's so cute. And I don't have a boy sample of that right now, but we will definitely do one, and we can do a boy version of that. So.
And I forgot these little cute shoes.
Oh yeah.
I think that they're rhinos, but they're really cute. So they're little. This obviously is our girl shoes. So
yeah,
we're gonna set these.
That's really cute.
Right in here.
And the next thing we've got is our little garland or banner. Now the cool thing about these, all these, you want to take that in?
Yeah.
Is they're so cute for the baby shower, but then they're also really cute for the nursery. So this one's got cute little, all the banners we did today, they all have the elephant and the giraffe and the monkey. And for the girl version, we've got the mauve pom-poms, which gives it a fun pop.
Yes.
So,
all right.
I'm going to hang it up here. That. Oh. It's like, oh, yeah, I did it to the wrong thing.
Just a little more space.
Yeah.
These are always tricky.
Yeah,
in the middle of a lie.
I know. Bear with us on hanging it. We're trying to make sure she doesn't fall down.
Yeah.
I think that. There we go. All right, perfect. So now you can see it's all coming together.
There.
And it all matches just great. And then we're going to add one more piece to that, which is this diaper cake. And coming off of here.
I will get the pom-poms.
So here we go. Sorry, I'm losing ribbons. Here is our awesome little diaper cake. We think he's really cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, so he's so all the diaper cakes come with these ribbons, and you can see there's cute little clothespins, mini ones, and we have got Oh Baby. And if you would rather have like the baby's name on here or another message, we can do that. And of course the giraffe does come with it. And then Edie's gonna top it off
some pom-poms
with a cute
decoration.
pom-pom.
I'm only gonna put that one on because I'm worried if they'll come off.
Yeah, and on the girl version, how about a pink one? Would that be cute? Yeah. Yeah, let's try
I forgot we were doing a girl.
Yeah. So we're gonna add that pink one right on top. And all the diaper cakes come with 5 pom-poms that you can just scatter around it to look really cute. I will let Edie add those on there.
And then we also have the pin.
Oh yeah, almost forgot. I think this is the last piece. So this is the topping on the cake, really. It's the really cute Mommy to Be pin. The Mommy to Be pin goes with all the versions, the boy, girl, or if you wanted to just go neutral. We tried to keep it pretty neutral with just the yellows and the turquoise that we have in all the products. And just the cutest little giraffe that Edie painted on here. I think that's adorable. So this is the last piece.
Yeah.
I'm going to add that on there. And now you can see how fun that is. And so now what we're going to do is just flip it just a little bit and show you what it would look like if we did the boy version of this. So
first I'm going to step back.
Yeah, look at that. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Super cute with the pom-poms on there.
Yeah.
And the nice thing about that is we will have options to change the colors out on everything, so you can pick what you need. So now we're going to show you the boy versions of it. So we're going to take off our little elephants and giraffe that are the girl.
And the great thing is we can keep our main stuff on there.
Yes.
So that's helpful.
It is. And then we're going to add our boy versions of them. And where are those, Edie?
They're right there.
Oh, yeah. I had to look up higher. Let me show you a close-up of these. So the boy one is in a really nice lighter shade of turquoise, almost an aqua or robin's egg blue, which is just a perfect color for the boy room with the gray background, and it also has the pom-poms. And then the giraffe version, we've got it personalized so you can see what it would look like with Henry, and all the fun pom-poms hanging down from it as well. So we'll get both of those hung up there, and you can see how all that ties in. And then Edie's gonna swap in and do our banner, right?
Yes, and didn't we have this one?
Yeah, and I'm gonna hang that up there so you can kind of see how that looks.
Really cute.
So there's so many ways to interchange all this, and you can pick what you like, especially as far as the animal. We're also gonna do a lion, I think, and a monkey pretty soon. So if you'd rather have lions or monkeys on your door hanger, you know, we can do that too. So
Here's the banner.
anyway, the banner's really cute.
Here's one side.
It's got a fun little, kind of a light coral pom-pom with the colors are turquoise and aqua and yellow for the giraffe. And I was thinking we had a loop on this one.
Oh, you had it on this side.
Okay. There we go. Make sure it doesn't fall.
Perfect.
And then you can see the mommy to be pin is still gonna just look
Really cute.
really cute on there. Yeah.
So
So
we're gonna switch out the pom poms.
oh yeah. So now our little giraffe on our diaper cake, he's gonna get topped off with a nice mint. We do
Yeah,
mint?
mint.
Yeah. Mint green
Well,
on
more
there.
like aqua.
Yeah, it's really aqua green. And just the other fun shades that you see. Literally, we just took the pom-poms that are on the door hangers and we made different sizes of those to put on the diaper cake to make it really cute.
There's that turquoise.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna set
And there's
this
so
yellow
many fun
here.
things that you could do for the giraffe baby shower. I saw a really cute thing on Pinterest the other day. I was kind of looking at some different ideas, and I should have made some. It would have been fun, but you just take a Nutter Butter and you use the just that really thick icing, and you just make little eyes and antlers, and or not antlers. Does he have antlers? Is that what you call those? So we need somebody to help us with that. I'm pretty sure it's an antler. But anyway, it's so cute. Just a little Nutter Butter because he's the exact shape of the giraffe head. So
The other thing we wanted to show you all is that if you didn't want this on a stand,
oh yeah,
you could set it in here, which would also be really cute. And right now the table's kind of blocking it, but it's really cute.
yeah, it is super cute. And that's the nice thing about a lot of the baby shower decorations. They can just go right into the nursery, especially that sign, and the giraffe can come right off the cake and sit on the shelf once the mommy gets home, and she can add that, and that'll be a really neat keepsake for the baby. Okay, so the last thing we want to show you is our neutral version, which won't include any door hangers or wreaths at this point. We don't have any
By the way,
oh yeah,
extra color to
Oh,
go
yeah.
with the boy that I forgot to put on.
there we go, little pop of coral. Yeah, I love that. So you can kind of see how all this ties together, and then what we want to show you is just a neutral version of this banner and the diaper cake. So we're going to pop this off and add on one last version of it. And for any of you who are just joining us, we are talking about obviously jungle themed baby showers and jungle themed nursery decor today. If you didn't get a chance to look at this up close, this is our mommy to be pin that's super cute. And this version will go for a boy shower, a girl shower, or just a neutral if they're not sure the gender. And Edie's gonna show you the banner that's gonna go up there.
I'm gonna switch out some of the decorations.
Oh yeah, that too. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this or lay this right here. I'll grab the banner. And this banner, it's funny, this one is almost my favorite because it's just so fun how it's got the neutral, it's got the elephant in gray, the monkey in brown, kind of more of what you would call a traditional colors on it, and then the giraffe in kind of a light tan, which is the same color we used on the door hangers. So this is great if, it's great for a boy, it's great if it's neutral. There's so much neutral baby shower and actually nursery decor out there right now. Just lots of muted creams and grays and blacks and browns. So we thought it'd be good to do just a neutral version, and that way if you don't know the gender of the baby, they're wanting to be surprised, then this is a great decoration for the shower and for the nursery, both.
Yes. So.
And Edie is going to change out,
The pom-poms.
yeah. And see, you can see, even though this has some color in it on the Mommy to Be pin, it still ties in really nicely, and it just lets you see, you know, sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of color, even if it is a neutral theme, especially using the giraffe print that ties in with the giraffe print on the ribbon of the diaper cake and on the giraffe itself. And then we just decided to add in a little pop of gold on here to just add, you know, another fun kind of neutral color to it with our grays and our tan and yellow. So it was really, yeah, I like how that all came together. I'm hoping you guys can see everything from where we're at. I don't want to get in your way. So this is all of our fun stuff for the day. And like I said before, please share this. If you love this, if you know somebody that's expecting, share. We would love to get some feedback, see what people think about it, and know that we can customize any of it. Like if there's other colors, there's so many different colors for jungle theme.
Mm-hmm.
We had a hard time deciding what to go with because, you know, they're all cute. So we definitely can customize the colors to anything that you need. So we hope you guys have a great day.
Yeah. Have a
Talk to
good
you
day.
later. Bye.